Folisin are products for hair loss in men. To create the recipe of the food supplement, as many as 13 ingredients were used that inhibit baldness, support hair growth and have a positive effect on the condition of the scalp, creating the perfect environment for new hair growth. Importantly, all the ingredients used to create the tablets are safe for the body and do not cause side effects. Folisin food supplement provides the body with a number of important nutrients, the deficiency of which is one of the causes of hair loss. Regular use of this supplement counteracts this process and supports hair regrowth in places where they have already fallen out, such as the bend or the top of the head. In addition, Folisin helps maintain optimal blood testosterone levels and has a positive effect on pigmentation, allowing you to maintain the natural color of your hair.